Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into Atomic Wallet application using your Android device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Atomic Wallet application, then it's pretty simple. The first thing to do is to make sure you have an account, of course. If you're not signed up for Atomic Wallet, simply check the description box and you'll be able to find a video on signing up for Atomic Wallet as well. Once you have a wallet and you're signed up for it, in order to log into your wallet, simply tap open your Atomic Wallet application. It'll take a while to load, so make sure to wait for a bit and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface where it asks you to enter your password. The password you'll need to enter is the same that you created while signing up for your Atomic Wallet, so make sure to enter the same password in the text box. Soon after you do that, tap the login button in blue at the bottom and there you'll be logged into your Atomic Wallet right away. Pretty simple, isn't it? All you need to do is enter your password and there you are. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.